my microbit JavaScript coding people. Today I'm going to start a series about how to code cookie clicker on JavaScript. So first you're gonna move over to blocks, then do variables, make a variable cookie. Okay. Now back to JavaScript. Input, run code on button pressed. Now we're just gonna move over to blocks. We're kind of gonna be switching from blocks to JavaScript because some things are easier on blocks and some are easier on JavaScript. Variables, make a variable, cookie, okay. Change cookie by 1. And then we're going to do a basic show number, variables, cookie. But I kind of want to do that for input on a different button pressed, on button A and B pressed. So currently it should look like this. On A, okay, we press the cookie. On A, B it shows 1. And then we're just gonna do clear screen, clear all LEDs. So we're just gonna see how that works out. Okay, so that works out perfectly fine. Basic, forever function. And we're gonna go back to basic, and we're gonna try and make like the best looking cookie we can. Now on JavaScript so far, it would look like this. Now we're just gonna go back to blocks so we can code what the cookie will look like. I'm thinking like we start off with a basic cookie like shape. Then every other, like this looks like a pretty good cookie. So I'm just gonna see what it would look like if we switched it. I kind of like the other one better because it's all like spaced out and it makes kind of like an X. But if we were to fill that in, it would look pretty good. I think this will be our cookie shape for now. So we are gonna press A. Okay. Now we're gonna code it so that it shows basic. I'm just gonna make it so that it shows a string +1. So that whenever you press it, then it goes back to that. Press AB, 1. Press as many times as you want. It will just show it as that. Now I just press AB, so that shows we have 5 cookies, and it's still going because we kind of spammed it a little bit. Okay. And that is basically how you make the simplest version of cookie clicker on your microbit or JavaScript. if this video gets to 10 likes, then I will try and code in like all the other aspects of clikr, like the cruiser and the grandmas and everything else. I will try and code that in and make it in a way so that the price of it increases and your amount of cookies per click goes up by 1. I will see you in next week's video. Goodbye.